Hello everyone, my name is Riaz Mahmoud and I'm here to present about the application called VoiceThread, which is for the IT 602 Research Seminar class. VoiceThread is a productivity software which is basically a cloud-based application. You don't actually have to install it like other standalone softwares, but the only requirement is to you have an up-to-date version of Adobe Flash and you're good to go. To begin with, what is VoiceThread? Well, VoiceThread is, as I said, it's a cloud-based application which allows you to upload various kinds of media such as pictures, videos, documents, texts, any kind of it. And you can also have an asynchronous group conversation based on that voice thread itself. When you put all your slides or pictures of all your media in the voice thread tool, it looks like a slideshow, and you can actually view and learn from that whatever the topic it is about. And like other YouTube videos and everything, you can actually embed these particular voice threads in anywhere. So let us go and check out the web application itself. So this is the page for the VoiceThread. VoiceThread it encourages either teachers or students or all kind of users to be more interactive with the presentation or the learning stuff. You can always put your voice in it. You can see different kind of pictures. You can also put videos regarding some place of going back to our presentation. You can actually use it for very different kind of stuff, as the software itself have a very big digital library. It contains a lot of different kind of voice threads, starting from critiques to reflections to project collaborations and stuff. It's filled with informations. It's just you have to know what you want, what you're looking for, and you start finding it and learn. So let us get to know this application a little better. You can just go sign in, and as you see, I'm already signed in. When you sign in, it takes you to the home place where it's called voicethread.com/myvoice. That is your home page usually, and here basically you will be able to see all the voice thread that you have created so far. Since I haven't created anything yet, so this place is kind of empty now. So we can go and check ahead at the browse button. If we can see there are a lot of public voice threads which is made by the people all around the world. So if you're interested in art, you can just go ahead and write art and search. We can see a lot of different voice threads which was based on art. So if we are to check how this thing works, just go on and click one of that. So it's basically a collection of pictures of Melbourne street art and graffiti. So as it goes on, you can just slide along through the pages, all the slideshows. On the left side of the screen, you can actually see the comments or any kind of comments made by the viewers. You can actually comment yourself using from text or phone, microphone, video, or you can just add a simple file to that basically. So let us go ahead and create 1 hour file. Let us go ahead and create a file of a voice thread of our own. So what you do is you just click on the add media, or you can just directly drag and drop the files here. So either let us go and drag and drop the files. Let's say you want to create you want to do some critique on this very awesome art pieces of all time, which is called The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. So you have to just enter the title. You say the Starry Night, and you can put the descriptions if you want. You can put the tags if you want. You can write Van Gogh. Either way, you can check the playback options. You can whichever you feel like, and if you want to put a cover art which can be seen by the regular people, you can just upload one, or if you don't, you can just go ahead and click save. So we have our very first VoiceThread created. So when we click on it, we can just edit. There you see these buttons. This shows us how to edit, and this is the delete button. So when we click edit, we can edit the whole page and everything. This is like one of the media that is uploaded in there, and you can also put so let's say this is a whole page, a whole voice thread of critique session of like different kind of stuff, so, such as first one is like a very awesome ancient piece of art created by Van Gogh. There's a new movie that was released a few days back, and which is the Deadpool, and you can, if you want to start with it, add that one in your VoiceThread too. You can just drag and drop. So basically this thing is mostly drag and drop options. You can do the titles again, and then at the end you have the options for playback settings. You can select, it's the same thing that we saw before, and you can add the cover art, and when you're done you can just go ahead and you can add the comments. Since we're done here, we can actually go ahead and put one of our comments here. So let's say I'm gonna record a audio comment here, so I just click this comment button and open up this record an audio comment and click on it. It will ask me permission to use my microphone. So let's say this is a critique session for the somebody's viewing our so let's say this is our voice thread, and we want to add some comment to let the viewers know what it actually is. So we'll just go ahead and click on the comment button. So different window pops up. We can add the text comment. We can also make comments using our phone. We can record an audio comment. We can record a video comment, or we can just upload a comment from like a document. So let us go ahead and record an audio comment. So you just click on it. It starts recording. This is the art piece created by Vincent van Gogh in 1889. I personally like this piece very much. This makes me feel so ecstatic. So we can. This is the art piece created by Vincent van Gogh in 1889. I personally like this piece very much. So we can go ahead, we can just save it. So this gets created here, and even if you want to, you can create the sub-captions for it, or delete it, or you can just insert a direct reply. Like if somebody's watching this video right now, they would just directly reply me at the same time. So that's why it's called the asynchronous a group conversation. You can do it like at the same time. So once you're done with it, you can just slide ahead and see the next slide and do the same thing again. You can also like make it a full screen. You can also make it full screen, or you just go ahead and cross it out. This really does not give you if we go back to the software application page itself, we can go ahead, the home for the VoiceThread, like when you're not actually connected. Like let's say we're logged in now. out and then go to the original homepage. VoiceThread can be integrated seamlessly with any kind of learning management systems, which is also known as LMS, and also by the learning consortium called Learning Tools Interoperability. LTI, it actually allows the VoiceThread to integrate into most major learning management systems, including but also not limited to Blackboard, Sakai, Angel, Canvas, Desire to Learn, Brain Honey, and Moodle is kind of the one. But this requires a subscription and purchasing license. It's kind of expensive when you try to use it like that. For single use, it can be for single person use, it can be pretty much expensive, but when you're using it in a university, it can be really cheap regarding the huge amount of stuff that you can get. So in the end, all I can say is VoiceThread can keep a really VoiceThread can have a really great impact in the online classes, any kind of critique, and all kind of learning capabilities. As long as you want to learn and you know how to look for it in the VoiceThread digital library, you won't be disheartened. And thank you for watching.